So here's an app called Character.ai or C.ai AI that feels alive. So before that, it was available on a website. You could just go to Character.ai domain and then visit this website. But now it's available as iOS app. Maybe it's also on Android. Yeah, I think it is. So yeah, you can just basically it's a collection of AI chatbots. And with Character AI, you can talk about everything you want as much as you want. Discover millions of user-created AIs, each with their own personality. Bring new characters to life with just a few words or craft them into your heart's content with our advanced character creation tools. Enjoy unlimited free messaging and no ads. So yeah, you can just talk with some anime characters, learn new language, write a novel, just find AI friend, all of these things just by talking with some AI chatbots. So think of this app as like ChatGPT, but adjust it into different topics and categories and different scenarios, use cases, and so on. So here you can see my recent chats, but then if I want to explore, if I just want to find some kind of assistant, I can just go to Explore tab, and then there are like all the categories. I can filter out by featured categories, recommended, discover, helpers, all others. Like for example, if I wanna learn programming, I can just go to pair programming. So for example, I can just ask some programming questions here, and this is just like a chatbot specifically directed at at programming. And then you can just write this response and copy this to clipboard or regenerate. So yeah, that's basically the idea of it. And then then you just have all these bots in all these different categories. I have no idea how exactly this works. Why do you need to have like all these different bots in one? You just can have one chat GPT, and inside chat GPT you can just have different chats. For example, in one chat you ask programming questions, in other chat you ask him to write blogs or something like that. But I have no idea. Maybe it's just better to develop models on the technical side, maybe, or and then it just feels more like that this is the real person. This person knows kind of like game, psychology or something like that. So then you can just talk with these chatbots. So this is a cool idea, and yeah, then you can just see your own chats. Then you can also search for characters. Maybe you already know some name, but also then you can create a character. So yeah, that's how you do it. You can also create your own chatbot in this app, which is pretty cool. So then you can just create some bot, give a photo, and then you can just have this character either private. So for example, if you just want to create your own private chatbot, public or unlisted. So yeah, then you have that. You can add image generation, you can add description, you can add character definition, and then you just enter in some prompts here to better describe this model, and then you can just tap create, and there you have it. Then you just created your own chatbot. Then you can save and start a new chat, view saved chat, refresh chat, edit character, remove messages, share character. So that's the things you can do, and you can do it with every bot. So yeah, that's basically the idea here, in a nutshell. And then you just have your profile, and then in your profile, if you want, you can enable dark mode, light mode. You can disable haptics, change language, and then you can also tap remove account in the bottom right. You can also change your profile photo, username, and there you have it. So there are a bunch of other apps in this category. Another app is called C.ai, which was quite popular. Chat with AI bots. So yeah, this is also one of the apps, but in this app you need to pay because there is some limitation of messages. I think there are like 70 messages per hour or per 2 hours. They always change this limit. So the idea is that you need to upgrade to increase the limit. But in C.ai app, Character AI app, you can just chat unlimited. So that's pretty cool. And then yeah, you can just try out this app. And there are no ads, no nothing. So it's kind of like a free chat GPT, but with characters and with different models. So just go here to explore and find all the features recommended. Discover bots, anime helpers, games, comedy, language, religion, philosophy, politics, all the different categories of bots which you can find. And it's pretty cool. So give a try to this app. It's also available on Android. It's easy to create your account. Just sign in with Google, Apple, whatever is there, like your email, and then you can start using it for free.